Hey, I'm Syed and I just wanted to share a quick reflection on my internship at Unified Mentor as a data analyst. Over the past couple of more months, I have grown a lot, not just technically, but mentally too. I became more confident in handling real data, improved the way I think and approach problems, and learned how to explain my work more clearly. It also taught me how to manage time and stay consistent and keep learning every day. I work on two projects, one on like Netflix data, where I analyzed content trends, and another Google Play Store apps where I built a simple model to predict ratings. These gave me hands-on experience with Tableau, where I generated dashboards for the business decision making, which really helps a lot. And it was a great learning journey, and I am really thankful to the Unified Mentor for giving me this opportunity. Have a nice day.